Hey guys, so this particularly video is about Adblue refills. So if any one of you owns a BS6 diesel car, so you might have heard of Adblue. So Adblue or diesel exhaust fluid is a liquid which is used to reduce amount of air pollution created by a diesel engine. If I talk about DEF, so I will be showing in this particular article which I will be presenting in few minutes. Before that, let me quickly unbox.
If you see, it is by octonal, and this is diesel exhaust fluid. And if you see, it is recommended for all the diesel BS4 and BS6 vehicles. If they have also mentioned some of the manufacturer names such as Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Audi, Volkswagen, Tata, MG, Jeep, Mahindra, Hyundai, Toyota, Kia, Isuzu, Skoda, Ford, Land Rover, Jaguar, Citroen, Bharat-Benz, Porsche, and Eicher. So this is almost a year or maybe almost 2 years from now that I have been using this particular brand of DEF. It's simply very best. It's available on Amazon 69, so they don't much offer any discount on these products, so I just get at almost 850 or 845, somehow like this. So, and the important part is that it is according to AUS 32, that is the specification which they have to follow. And this particularly is a really good product, and I'm simply using it, so thought to share it with you. So if I just tell you how to refill, that's also the best part. Recently I purchased maybe 6 months before, I tried some other brand also, but I bought it, but the problem with that was they don't have this particular nozzle. So in that particular can, I used to had external nozzle, and due to which there was some spillage. So let me show you. So just what you have to do is you have to pull this up. First you have to open the seal, then pull up, okay, and you are good to go. So now this particular nozzle will go into your, like this, in the car, and you may refill it. So coming back to my web page. So I was just talking about this particular DEF, which is diesel exhaust fluid, and the general name which is marketed is Adblue, if you have heard it. So if I just tell you in simple words, so this particular fluid, if you put in your vehicle, it helps to reduce pollution. As simple as that. This is particular for diesel engine. And if I talk about like what exactly it does is, like, diesel engines are typically operated with lean burn air to fuel ratio, and to ensure full combustion of soot and to prevent them from exhausting unburned fuel. So this particular thing is what you need to pay attention here. So to prevent any unburned fuel exhausting the vehicle, which may cause harm to our environment, this particular AdBlue helps us. Like how it is, like the excess air leads to the generation of NOx, which are harmful pollutants from nitrogen in the atmosphere. And this is SCR is used to reduce the number of NOx. And DEF from a separate tank is injected into the exhaust pipeline, and the exhaust heat decomposes into ammonia. And this NOx is reduced by ammonia and into water and nitrogen, which are both non-polluting. So what I am able to understand is that it helps us to create less harmful or less polluting or non-polluting elements, which are then released into environment. So this is particular the background, and I will share the link of this article if anyone of you want to read it. So it's just for the information. Like I had this, while I purchased my diesel vehicle, so of course for 2-3 months the company already filled the fluid, but after that, when it shows like AdBlue needs to be refilled, so I was left in the lurch, like what to do. So I just Googled, I went to my car manufacturer, they helped me out, but I didn't had some clarity. So thought that I just shared my brand, which I'm using for more than 2 years, and it's safe, it's good, it's available on Amazon, it has a good rating, it has a price point. So I will also share the link for that particular AdBlue. And that's all from my side. Thank you for watching.